Oh, it was so hot. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sasha, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do this look. I decided that I want to play with the cool tones because nobody's playing with the cool tones and I'm not playing with the cool tones, and I was like, I want to play. I want to try something new. Everybody's always doing the warm tones and I'm kind of sick of it, and I feel like now is the time. Now the cool tones are coming back. I didn't use any silver, which I wanted to, but I didn't. It's like a grayish, taupe-ish kind of little natural smoky eye, if you wish. And if you want to know how I did this makeup look, just keep watching. I have my skin prepped. I'm not gonna use any primer today just because I'm just playing. It's a nighttime, so I'm not going anywhere, to be honest. I'm just gonna play with the makeup. I'm gonna take it off and I'm going to sleep. What I'm gonna use as a foundation, I decided to go for something a little more with a medium coverage, which is not very common for me. Sheer coverage, light coverage is my forte. So we're gonna use a CC cream by It Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face, and I'm gonna use my fingers. If you ever watch any tutorial of mine, you will know that usually I apply my foundations with my fingers. So very quickly, my foundation is done, or the CC cream is done, my base, and the next thing I'm gonna use is the concealer, and I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape, always. And as usual, I'm applying it underneath my eyes and wherever I have imperfections. And I'm using my damp beauty sponge, whatever you want to call it, and I'm gonna blend everything. And now I'm setting everything in place, especially my under eyes. And I'm also gonna set my face. Nowadays my skin is much more oilier than it used to be. I mean, it used to be oily, then it got more to like a normal skin, and now we're back to oily, so thank you, hormones. Now we're gonna leave the face and we're gonna move on to the brows, because I like to do my brows before I do my makeup. And I'm just gonna do what I always do, and I'm gonna just fill in all the sparse areas. And now we're gonna do the fun part, and we're gonna do the eyeshadow. And what I'm gonna use, I think what I'm gonna use is gonna be 35 OM Morphe palette. If you have this palette, great. If you don't, you can just use similar eyeshadows like I always do when I follow a tutorial. I usually never have the same things they have, so I'm just using what I do have. So, and what I'm gonna use, I'm gonna focus somewhere around here. And first things first, I'm gonna use this cool tone, like a beigey gray color, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lids. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm gonna apply this a grayish shade in my crease. I honestly never play with the cool tones because everything everywhere right now is about warm tones, so I really wanted to try this. The reason why I love the cool tones so much is probably the fact that I feel like every single warm eyeshadow turns orange on me. Everything just gets like, it just grabs the any kind of like a red or orange pigment. It's just everything, every single color looks orange or reddish on me, and I hate it. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm taking a small fluffy brush and I'm gonna pick up this cool tone brown, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply it in my outer corner. What I'm basically doing with the color is I'm putting it in here. As you can see, hopefully you can see. in like a corner, and I'm blending it a little bit upwards, and I'm creating like a V in my outer V. And I'm taking what's left on the brush and just putting it in my crease, but just like really deep in the crease. That's why we have the smaller blending brush. I don't want this eye look to be too intense. I want to try to do something that is a little dramatic for the daytime, but also wearable at the daytime. You know what I mean? You know what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take this color. It looks quite white on the camera, but I promise you it's not white. It's like a flesh color. Last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this like a grayish, maybe a little bit purple color, like a taupey color, and I'm just gonna apply it on a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna go through the socket again just to give it a little bit more dimension. That's it for the eyeshadow, and the next thing I'm gonna use my liner and I'm gonna tie line my eyes. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna take the same one and I'm just gonna go very close to my lash line. I don't want to do an eyeliner, but I want a little more definition. What I did, I basically went with my eyeliner very close to my lash line, and I'm just gonna try to blend it a little bit because I don't want it to be any harsh line or anything like that. Now I'm taking my mascara and I'm just gonna put mascara on my lashes. I'm gonna apply bronzer. I'm not gonna apply any blush, so I'm basically using bronzer as a blush. I think the bronzer is gonna be enough. I think it's gonna tie it all together nicely anyway. If you have any like a bronzy type blush, you can use that. I don't have that, so I'm not gonna use anything like that. I'm just gonna use my bronzer. I'm gonna use my Eclat Lumiere is my highlight, and I'm using it because I didn't want any shimmer. My lip is gonna be Lovesick by Kat Von D. And this is the finished look. I put my earrings on so you can see how it looks all together. It's still very natural. Apparently I'm a little scared to do like a very dramatic eye makeup. That's okay, maybe next time, but I'm super happy how it turned out. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you feel like it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!